This is a foundation that, as a not-for-profit, that was started in 2006. Since then, this foundation has been trying to make efforts in initiating key platform-based programs in the Northeast India.
I didn't know it would be such a grueling process, but it was very fulfilling, educative. We had a lot of entries.
The people who are receiving the award or getting special mentions should actually take that into consideration, to know that there was a lot of effort that was put in to select the right candidate, and the award that they're winning is a truly deserving award.
I'm so glad to see the way ICT is being adopted in driving efficiencies of government departments and also in improving the services to citizens across every state. There were so many good nominations. It was a difficult choice to select the winner.
More happy with this because it basically emphasizes on a part of this country which needs a lot of attention. The focus is required, and we have been able to give a lot of focus on the developmental work that is going on.
It's not just made us aware of what Northeast is doing, but also in terms of our own ecosystem in e-governance, in terms of jury members, in terms of NGO. I must say right at the outset that this process has been very fair. We have not been brainwashed into believing through good, effective presentations, but the data was amazing.
It's doing extremely well with more than 50 nominations after having more than 80 entries from just 8 regions is quite satisfying, and we hope that it's going to grow more and create more and more impact in terms of exciting people to participate and showcase their projects in all the ICT based and electronics and mobile based initiatives.